let's start with lecture number 3, alkyl halide. We'll discuss stereochemistry in this lecture. Stereochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of three-dimensional structure of a carbon atom and the properties of three-dimensional molecules. See here, next concept, optical isomerism. What is meant by isomerism? Same molecular formula but different structural arrangement is called as isomerism. So we'll discuss about optical isomerism. This concept is related to the chiral carbon atom. So first of all, we'll discuss what is mean by chiral carbon atom. See, CH3, CHCl, CH2, CH3. This molecule is called as 2-chlorobutane. So in this 2-chlorobutane, the only second number carbon which has 4 different group of atom. See, in these molecules, the second number carbon attached to the methyl group, attached to the hydrogen, attached to the chlorine, attached to the ethyl group. So these 4 group are attached. But in this first carbon atom, 3 hydrogens are same. In this carbon atom, 2 hydrogens are same. In the last, 3 hydrogens are same. These all are not chiral carbon atom. Only carbon number second, that is C2 carbon, is chiral carbon atom. What is chiral carbon atom? The carbon atom which is in the molecule which carries 4 different group of atom. See, this C2 is chiral one. So what is mean by optical isomerism? The stereoisomerism, in which the isomerism have different spatial arrangement. Space means 3 dimensions. Different spatial arrangement or group of atom under the chiral carbon atom. So we'll discuss about one more concept, optical activity. So what is mean by optical activity or how it related to the chiral carbon atom? We'll again discuss the same structure of 2-chlorobutane. See, in this 2-chlorobutane, so what is the structure? CH3 HCl. So this is 2-chlorobutane containing second carbon is chiral carbon atom. When placed to the in front of mirror, what it gives? It gives like this image: CH3, CH2, C, H, Cl, and remaining is CH3. So these two images are non-superimposable mirror images. So this compound is called as chiral compound. This is one more definition of chiral compound. So this is one compound. So mirror image of this compound will be like this one. Can be placed as it is to one this compound? No, it is not imposable. So this is called as non-superimposable. This is called as imposable compound. This is called as imposable compound. This is called as non-imposable compound. If this compound has a mirror image, we place this compound in front of mirror, it gives same image. So this can place on this one. Both are same compounds. But when we are taking 2 different compounds like this one, so when the first compound is placed on the second compound, at the same time the compound did not matches. This is called as non-superimposable mirror image. And non-superimposable compounds are chiral compounds and optical active compounds. So we'll deal about one more definition of optical activity. When unpolarized light means the waves which can possible to vibrate in all possible directions. So when unpolarized light is passing through Nichols prism is made by calcite crystal at an Canada balsam angle. When passing through the Nichols prism can be made by 2 prisms inverted on each other. This is first prism and this is second prism. Can join to form Nichols prism. Passing through the unpolarized light is passing through Nichols prism, will get plain polarized light. PPL, plain polarized light, which vibrates in a single possible direction. So when this plain polarized light, right now we are getting what? We are getting plain polarized light. So when this plane polarized light passing through, when plane polarized light passing through any organic compound like optically active compound, 2-chlorobutane or glucose or lactic acid solution, glucose solution, passing through this compound, it plane polarized light, not light, it's plane of plane polarized light rotates to the right hand side, or plane of plane polarized light if rotates to the left hand side with some angle. This is angle of theta. This is theta angle. This is right hand side rotation. This is left hand side rotation. This is called as dextro-rotated compound. This is called as Leo-rotated compound. See, let's discuss about the concept of enantiomerism. So what is meant by enantiomerism? Enantiomerism is related to the chiral carbon atom. As we already discussed the concept of enantiomerism, concept of chiral carbon atom. So what is meant by chiral carbon atom? The carbon atom which is attached to the 4 different group of atoms is called as chiral carbon. See, if this molecule is placed in front of mirror, so what will we getting? We are getting the mirror image of this compound which does not matches on this one, called as non-superimposable mirror images. When one compound has a mirror image which does not matches on each other, that two compounds are called as enantiomers of each other, and the concept is called as enantiomerism. The equimolecular mixture of dextro and Leo isomer, as we already discussed, when plane of plane polarized light will rotate to the right hand side, will get dextro rotated compound. When plane of plane polarized light will rotate to the left hand side, will get Leo rotated compound. The equimolecular mixture of dextro and Leo isomer is called as a racemic mixture, and the concept is called as racemization.